Hello guys, today we're here to talk about the new Comet Wars update. Also, but so basically they added a lot of stuff. Just ignore all Ohio going on out there. They like the cool things is they added like UGC, like you can buy this and you get free stuff for it. It's really cool. Like it's cool. I mean, some of these I don't like that much, but this is cool. And there's a lot of cool stuff. They also nerfed like see like Stab Dash, 200 damage in a row. It only does half damage. It doesn't insta kill you. And also this doesn't. I mean this does insta kill you. But they nerf skills a lot, which in my opinion, very good. Also, look at my XP. Nice. I did not notice that. Also, why do I? Okay, never mind. They also like made new things, and that's cool. But one thing is they're kind of getting a bit greedy. I feel like because you can buy this, but this isn't that bad. This is not the part I'm not happy about. All of it's good. It's cool. But one thing is, if you go look in the update log and look, I mean, this new cosmetics, cool. Yeah. Oh, new flash animations, cool. Where is it? Yeah, skill nerfs. They made them a lot more. Or is it K changes? No. Okay. Daily spin. You can now get more luck for daily spin. But there's one thing that I don't. It's not showing here for me because I already have chainsaw and Yoru. But if you don't have those weapons, they would show up in the daily spin. So that means that if anybody could just buy this and then just buy a ton of daily spins, like they could just buy luck and then buy this many daily spins, and then they could just get Yoru or Chainsaw for free from a daily spin. Well, not free, but from daily spin. I don't know how much this does increase the chances, but still, you could. So this means that they don't have to who buy all of these weapons before. They can just spam daily spins and get this. They can get this. The screenshot and the thumbnail is actually from my alt account. That's why you don't see it. But yeah, you can just now get Yoru or Chainsaw from daily spin. Meaning that I feel kind of stupid for grinding a lot to get it. I mean, sure, and you can also get a bunch of stuff, but still, this seems a bit of pay to win. I mean, the game always has been pay to win, but buying more luck for 490 Robux seems a lot more pay to win than previously thought. I don't know how much increases the chances, but I think like twice as much. But seems a bit pay to win that you can just get Yoru from just a daily spin. It just seems kind of a bit overpowered, if you ask me. Sort of overpowered. Like that seems a bit overpowered. They also, I'm pretty sure, I feel like they made. I think they made these do more damage. I don't know. They also redid potions. They also made it not Christmas, but that's my biggest problem is that it's good they removed skills being like just broken. Like this used to insta kill, now it's not insta kill, but it used to be broken, kind of. And they also added cool UGC. That what is this? Oh, okay. This is cool. Wait, oh, you have to buy it in game. Well, that's still cool, but still, this is pretty cool. I like this, but I don't like how somebody can like a level 15 person or like literally a level 11 can just spin once and get a chainsaw, even though they're level 11, because it will be in the daily spin. So that's all I have for this video. I don't know whether I love the update, but I do not like how you can just get chainsaw from a daily spin, which which just makes it a lot more easier to pay to win. Like it's always been to pay to win, but now it's a lot more easier for people to be pay to win because you can just simply just get chainsaw from a daily spin. Oh my god.